Wanna know how to earn gold quickly in Kingsroad? So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily earn gold in Kingsroad in just under a few minutes. So what you need to do is you need to upgrade heroes, gears and building super. So what you need to do is the first step is to complete daily rewards and quests because they give steady, reliable good rewards. Next, farm the map for resource nodes and NPC camps. Plundering these gives instant gold and other materials. Make sure to clear high level camps when your heroes are strong enough because the payout is worth it. Don't ignore the market either. You can sell extra items, low tier equipment or duplicates for gold. So make sure to keep an eye on supply demand trends. Some items sell for more during events. So another tip is also to participate in events, alliance wars and time challenges. They often reward huge amounts of gold completing objectives or ranking high. And that's it, consistency farming and it should get you there. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one. Want to know how to recreate and upgrade heroes effectively